Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech CEA ELISA test kit, which is carcinoembryonic antigen ELISA. You can see this here. Carcinoembryonic antigen CEA ELISA test kit. You can see the reference part number, which is CE2360. Lot number is given, manufacturing date and expiry date is given. It is a 96 well plate. You can see this has to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is manufactured in the US by Calbiotech Incorporation. CIVD certified product. You can see the key package contents like coated well plates, controlled standard sets, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate. Refer to the enclosed certificate of analysis for the full component details. Okay. See this here. I'll just go around. You can see this is made in the US. Okay, got it. Let me open this box for you. There you go. Okay, here you can see there is one IFU brochure. Here's the IFU. You can see the IFU here. It says carcinoembryonic antigen ELISA kit. The catalog number is given. You can see the intended uses. The Calbiotech Incorporation CEA ELISA kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of CEA in human serum. So this IFU brochure has the complete principle of the test, and you can see materials provided, storage and stability, warning and precautions, specimen collection handling, reagents preparation, assay procedure is given, and calculation of results. So you have the complete details to conduct your test. So here you go. Then you can see there is one certificate analysis report. I'll just open this for you. You can see this here. Certificate of analysis. You can see this is the certificate of analysis. I'll just show you very close. You can see this here. It says the microwell plate coated with streptavidin, and you have the standard 1 to 7 actually, and there is controls 1 and 2, and then you have CA enzyme conjugate and TMB substrate 1 bottle, and stop solution and wash concentrate. You can see this here. Here also it's given, the standard is given, and also the controls are shown. Okay, this is your certificate analysis for all the contents inside this kit. Let me keep this here. Okay. Keep it here and this. There we go. This we have kept an ice pack nearby just to maintain the temperature. And there is the 96 well plate. You can see it says streptavidin coated wells. It's a 96 well plate. It should be stored in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This is how the plate looks like. Well sealed pouch. Okay, and further let's go and get inside what all we have here and go to show one by one. Let's keep it here. Okay, let's go to this. Here this is wash concentrate 20x 2 to 8. You can see the reference part number and 25 ml bottle. And then you have stop solution 12 ml. I'm putting it here. And then you can see TMB substrate 12 ml. And then you can see CEA enzyme conjugate. You can see this here. That is also a 12 ml. Then you can see standard 1, CA standard 1, CA standard 1, CA standard 2, CA standard 3. Here comes this one. see this here. CEA standard 3. Bring it back. CEA standard 4. CEA standard 5. CEA standard 6. Then you get control 1. There's one more control. Control 2. See why this 137. Okay. Control 2. And there's the last one. Standard 7. See, standard 7 is also here. Okay, we got all the kits. We've seen all the kits. So today we have seen the unboxing of Calbiotech CEA ELISA test kit. In the 96 well plate test kit, you get one IFU brochure and one certificate of analysis, one 96 well plate. And then you get the different solutions here. You get the wash buffer, enzyme conjugate, stop solution. You get all those liquids, and also you get all the standards 1 to 7. There are 7 standards in this, 1 to 7 standards, and then there are 2 controls here. This is how the total test kits looks like. Let me show this here. Okay. Okay, thank you.